Hello guys, welcome to smctradersa, where today I will be teaching you about how I enter a trade each and every day. First of all, this is a clean chat. I'm offering everything for free, guys. If you're interested, please DM me or write in the comment section. I will save you and contact you as soon as possible. Um, and please like the video, subscribe, and also share it with your friends. Okay, first of all, I'm on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we are in a bullish momentum. So, first of all, I mark my last low and last high, which is this one. So, okay, fine. I know now we are in a range. I know now we are in a range. The market hasn't even break this last higher high, so I'm gonna wait for it to go up. So now I'm moving to the 4 hour time frame where the magics happen most of the time. First of all, let's look at the chart like this. In order for me to take a trade, let me move from the chart and show you something. So let's say now we have this kind of movement. Make a higher high, come make higher low, and we come back and make a new high, then we come back and make a new low, then we fail to break and come back and make a new high here. So we come back. Let me leave it like this first. Okay, first of all, let's say we have buying, buy to sell candle here. I mean sell to buy. Okay, I'll buy this like this. Let's say it's like this, right? So then after, I know exactly how I'm gonna put my order block. That's like this, right? I know the market has to come back and mitigate from this block. So that's where like I focus on entering my entry right there, putting a buy, uh, and put it at the last low, last high. I mean, sorry guys, sometimes I forget. Yeah, last high. Most of the time I risk 0, okay 0.546% in order to gain maybe 12%, somewhere like that. Risk to reward ratio is 2 is to 3 most of the time. So that's how I'm focusing at entering my entries. So let's just say now we are at this area. We have this selling candles here, and we have this buying candle. Let's say maybe it was half like this. So since I see that this we had a pullback right here, I know if the market hasn't break the structure before it created a pullback, I can't expect my pullback to be exactly here at the mitigation block. I know the market has to like to fill the imbalance first, but the market will create something like this. Let me put my again buying to sell to buy candle again. Let's say around here. Yeah, around here. Let's say we have something like this, and again we have something like this here. Okay, let's say we have something like this. Let me put, yeah, something like this. I know very well in order for me to enter a trade, I must have something like this. I must have something like this. So for me to be able to profit on this trade, I must have something like this. In a short period of time, yes, in the long run, I know when I come back here, still going for longs. That's how I'm focusing at like my entries. So I know very well the market might do something like this and something like this in order to create a new high, or still market break and come back here, something like this. So now let me go to the chart exactly and show you what I mean about this whole thing. Let me remove all these things and go to the chart right now and pay close attention to what I'm gonna do. Okay, first of all, we are in a 4 hour time frame. Okay, look what happened. Look what happened. I want you to pay close attention. When you trade, you're focusing on the quality trades, those ones that make sense. You don't like just trade because of you seeing a setup. So let's start right here. Let's start right here, right? Since okay, we have this new high and we had this new low. Feel me? Okay, fine. Broke the structure here and come back and retest at this level. The reason why we broke here is fine. So look what happened next. Before we can break, we have this pullback. We had this pullback, then the market broke the structure. We know very well if I wanted to enter a trade, this would have been my entry at this level. This would have been my entry here because of this pullback here. I would have risked less below. Let's say I would have like locked my profit. Um, Once it breaks the structure here, I know very well that okay, fine, we broke the structure here to make a new high. So that's where I would have like locked my profit. Then wait again before we could break this. Fine, we had this pullback here, then we broke the structure, right? I know very well my next setup is around this zone. It's around here. That's where I would be focusing on taking another trade. This time I have to be more careful because the market is starting to create sort of consolidation before it could break the structure. Again, look at it. We had something like this. Fine. We had something like that. We broke the structure, but we never actually came at this medication block, right? So we must wait for the market now. I couldn't enter a trade. We break the structure, yes, but the moment if I wanted to enter a trade, I would have like wait at this area. I would have wait at this area, right? I missed the biggest trade, yes. Not always you're gonna catch every single trade. This would have been my trade at this moment. Like let me just say around here, yeah. Around here I would have like taken a trade here. But most of the cases, if it has created this long week like this, I would have like missed it. Most of the time, this happened in the morning. Let's say 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., somewhere like that. So if I would have like wanted to catch this trade, this was the perfect one. I would have like taken one around 1 okay, fine. And also this, I would have like missed and caught this. Reason being time. I don't trade Asian session. I only trade London and New York session. So look what happened. The same area that we were waiting on it just broke the structure. Fine, we have this, but still went up. Reason being we're still in a buying pressure. So now let's say we have this. Okay, we have this new high, then come back and retest at this area here. Like, look how the market moves. Look how the market moves. You see, like we have the same shit. Sorry guys for my language. I would have liked seen this. Time, it's guess 1 a.m. Maybe in the morning I could have caught this trade right here, 5 o'clock. Yeah, right here. That's why I could have caught that trade. But now I want you to pay close attention. Before we could break this last high, we came back to this pullback right here. We were supposed to like okay come back and sweep all the liquidity here, but we swept, but we never actually tested right then. Then I would have like missed the trade. Then again we had this. Before we could break, okay fine. Look at this here. I know very well we have this pullback right there. This would have like determined my entry signal because of we never broke. We had a pullback before we can break. Even after breaking, that's when I know okay I can enter the trade here in order to go up. So after breaking it's fine. We never stop of making new high. Here's our new high. We broke and created a new high, but we actually have to wait for the market first. This would have been my pullback again because you can see here we have twice the pullbacks, but those ones are not valid for me. I don't usually trade this because they are so confusing at times. Yes, I want something that is expanding and you know so that I can manage my time very well. Like look at this. We have this and break the structure, right? Breaking the structures here, fine. Reason why I don't focus at this pullback, look how it plays out. Look how it plays out. So it means I will wait for the proper pullback here in order for me to enter the trade to go up. The very same thing, look at here, before we could break this, we had this little pullback here, which is making us come back a little bit and to test on it, you feel me? So that's how it went. This is my another trade, like I would have like taken this, I won't lie to you. So before we could break the structure again, look at this. Last we had this area of consolidation where the market I know it's gonna come back and test from it. So that's how I look at the market. I use the time frame I'm using is 4 hour and also 3 hour going down. Okay, fine, guys. I don't want to make this video long, but thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.